Natural gas last week has shown a rise. It has gone closer to $2 levels. That is, it has already achieved 1.985 levels. And in the preceding weeks, we have seen it forming a triple bottom and a retracement. So, can we expect net gas to give a breakout above $2 levels, 2.05 levels? Or since we have seen it delivering lower highs and higher lows, we can expect a reversal again. Yes, we have seen it delivering a very small body and a bigger wick suggests that the prices have pressure from the upside. So, is it going to reverse? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and I do share my twice a day updates for net gas, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and yes, you can be part of the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships on YouTube to support the effort. Now, look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, now it is very, very important. First of all, you can say 5 candles. We have also seen diminishing body size, and the current candle, it appears to start in green. However, we can see it forming higher lows, lower highs and higher lows is what we have seen it. So possibly it can consolidate or form a double bottom before bouncing back. So I will still not say that net gas has turned bullish as long as it breaks past 2.05 2.1 zone in the coming month, in this month, and then 2.2. If these two levels are taken, remember net gas is bound for a stronger rise. Yes, because we have already seen 4 to 5 series of red candles. Look at the drop, retracement drop. It could continue to trade on the retracement path where it can try to at least move towards this zone, that is 3.5 in the near future. Thus, it is very, very important for net gas to break beyond 2.0205 zone. First resistance, then 2.1 the next, and then 2.2. If these three levels are taken, nothing is going to stop net gas from breaking past 2.5, 2.8, and then 3.2 levels. But this is for the near term. Let's have a look at the week. What has been seen on the weekly charts after the drop, retracement, then the drop, then a retracement, then a drop, and it is on the recovery path here. When I say recovery path, as what we have seen on the monthly charts, we have to be still patient with the rise. Now, on the weekly charts, possibly once it stays above 2.5 and 2.8 zone is where we can say more bullish momentum is going to be seen, and then it will be treated as a breakout where higher highs can be expected, which can in fact take it beyond 3.7 and then $4 levels. But again, it is definitely going to take a little more time. If you look at the momentum here, the drop, see right now it is in this retracement channel where the highs are close to 2.2, 2.3 zone, and these levels might get achieved very, very soon. Now, if you look at the current candle, what has happened last week, see it has formed triple bottom here, reversal sign, and since then now the price it tried to rise here. Now look, this was the first greener candle. Now it can, if it stays above 1.9. Now remember, last week also I have mentioned 1.9 is going to be a good resistance. Now it is very, very important for net gas to again stay above 1.9, 1.9, and then on the upside 1.98 $2 levels. If these levels are taken, we can say now net gas is ready for a stronger rise which can take the prices towards 2.2 levels very, very soon. Right now, again on the last week, if you see the movement, the wick is bigger, the body is smaller, suggests that the prices failed to stay bullish, and we have seen it coming down here. So again, these levels at 1.98 $2 levels are going to play a crucial role in deciding the future momentum. Coming to daily, if you look at the daily charts, I have shown this. Look at the daily charts, you'll find a very good double bottom levels are formed here. And after achieving the double bottom, we have seen a rise in net gas. Now, that is why 1.7 to 1.7 levels are playing a critical role. And if you look at the near term, the rise, the retracement, and the breakout. So now this breakout momentum is going to continue for a little while. That is what I expect. Now, since there is a little resistance which was seen at 1.9, 1.92 zone, and see there is a double bottom. So I'll wait for the next candle to appear. If you see it is staying beyond this zone and beyond the highs here at 1.9, 1.92, we can say now the bulls might try to take over, and then we are looking forward to higher levels here to 2.0 to 2.0. So yes, still we are not going to treat net gas as bearish. The chances of a reversal will be high. And remember, if at any point of time gas is seen trading below 1.7 to 1.68 zone, if it trades below this zone, we can say it is looking forward to a double bottom as well towards 1.6. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, see, after the reversal or retracement here, it has shown a reversal sign, and after the reversal sign, it is traded bullish. Now, as I said, we have to wait for it to break beyond 1.9, 1.92 zone, beyond which we can look forward for it to move towards $2 levels and in fact higher levels. Yes, it has been trading in this bullish channel. The highs are far above 2.0 to 2.05, and then beyond that, sky is the limit. So this is what we have seen on the charts alone. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? Because that will help us conclude the final levels and strategy. On the monthly charts, if you look at the moving averages have crossed over, these are trading with divergence. By the time it reaches here, this will come down here, and from here a reversal cannot be denied. But right now certainly it is a bearish sign. Also, the second observation is the divergence of the price from the moving averages calls for it to converge, which makes a stronger case for a good rise. Stochastic has also come to oversold levels. We have seen it happening in past, and it can recover from the current levels. Look at MACD. Strong bearishness was seen. Chances for it to converge crossover exist, but right now it is trading bearish. RSI almost flat. Coming to weekly, here on the weekly charts as well, the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands are sitting at around 2.2, which makes it a easily achievable level in the near future. And in fact, we can look forward to a further rise towards 2.7 levels as well, which will decide the further course of action for silver. Stochastic comfortable. MACD, it is turned bearish, but see again I'm saying this is the main trend, this is a retracement, and a crossover from is going to lead it to higher prices. RSI is rising. Coming to the daily, now on the daily charts, prices have come to take the support from the 20 period moving average, and after the support these are showing a rise. And as I said, once it stays above 1.9, 1.92 zone, the next candle will decide which direction it wants to take, where we will look forward to 2.0 to 2.05 levels. The stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, it is not yet converged, neither crossed over. And I have shown this several times on MACD. Look at the double bottom level, it can lead to a double top levels here. So be mindful of this. RSI rising. Coming to 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Right now, prices are taking support from the 50-100 period moving average and trying to recover. The stochastic comfortable here. MACD is bearish here. MACD after a rise, it has started to retrace and is forming a good wave. We have wait for it to converge crossover. RSI comfortable. So now we are seeing all the charts and indicators here, and time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies such that you can all trade profitably and comfortably in the coming week and in the month of April. But before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 8th of April, that is Monday. Only limited seats, and specifically couple of seats are only available. So register yourself. So in order to join the mentorship batch starting 30th of April, 8th of April, there is a 30th batch. You can write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries. Yes, do not miss to join and cherish the learning for life, where you get all the key trade setups, trading strategies, tools and techniques with the help of which you can be an independent and pro trader. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So again, you can connect with me for any of your queries. My contact details are shared in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is trustworthy, safe, secure with global presence, which offers a safe-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads to offer. Now, on the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 1.89, wait for 1.915 levels to be breached, And once net gas stays above 1.915, we can look forward 1.96, and after this time I will be looking forward to 2.02, 2.05 zone. Any breakout beyond 2.0205 is stay bullish, though the next target is 2.2, but in bitter intermittent resistance at 2.11, and then 2.2 levels will be seen. Beyond this, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to 2.245, 2.5 levels. 2.25, the first resistance levels. On the downside, where to take a sell entry, I will recommend you to sell. If you see it is staying below 1.84, you can take a sell. Rather, I will say if you see it below 1.86, 1.84, very good support. Then 1.8 and 1.78 the next. And if it drops below this is where we can look forward to a nice fall. This zone is going to be critical for net gas. Below 1.78 is where the bears will take off, and then we will look forward to 1.7 to 1.68. In any case, this should not be breached. If it breaks this, then the gap will be filled at 1.6, and below that a crash can be expected towards 1.6, chances for which appears to be less. But these are markets, you have to keep your eyes, options, and all the ways open for you to take or make profits, because these are markets, it can trade in either which ways. You have to just keep booking the profits and trail with your stop losses. If you abide by these levels, definitely the profits can come to you. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free telegram channel also for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.